Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you a strategy that I'll be using in the forex market that make me or that helped me pass a proof firm challenge account and get paid by the proof firm. Okay, I did my first withdrawal and it came true. By the way, I tried express funded, a proof firm called express funded, and I bought a 5k challenge account and I traded it using my strategy. I passed and I requested for first withdrawal and it came. So as you can see, this is the certificate of me passing the account. And also as you can see, I have requested for a withdrawal and it actually came true. They've paid me successfully. So the reason why I got this withdrawal is because I use my strategy to trade the account and I've been able to pass and I've requested for a withdrawal. As you know, every trader, when you're trading with a proof firm, after getting your funded account making a profit, you would want to withdraw to see if actually the proof firm pays. Okay, so that is how come I requested to see if they will actually pay me. So as you can see, the certificate of withdrawal, I've received my funds successfully. Is I'm no way advertising for this company. I am not recommending this company to you, this program to you, but hey, if you are in the forex industry and you want to try them, they have a very flexible rules and very nice packages. So if you want to trade with them, fine. I've requested for withdrawal and I have received my withdrawal successfully. So nonetheless, mostly as you guys know, I trade USD JPY because of the way it trends in the forex market. Okay, USD JPY or the JPY pairs normally trend. If they are going up, they are going up. If they are going down, they are going down. Okay, times you get ranging and very choppy in the market, but nonetheless, you just have to be disciplined and stick with your trading strategy, your risk to reward, and you are good to go. So, guys, as you can see, this trade right here, I'm on this trade. This is 1 hour. Okay, this is 1 hour USD JPY. I normally use Trendline, Fibonacci, and break and retest. Okay, those are the strategies that I trade on the USD JPY. Trendline touches, as you can see, touch on the trend line, and also a break and retest of a trend line. Okay, guys, that is what I trade on the USD JPY. Also, in some instances, I use the Fibonacci tool. Do not complicate the things too much, just follow the trend. Okay, just follow it. So I come to the 1 hour, 30 minutes, and the 15 minutes. Mostly I take the entries on the 15 minutes. Okay, but if 1 hour give me more confluence, then I go in for it. But mostly I times look at the market from the daily perspective, know where the market is actually heading. Then I go to the 4 hour to see the direction again, to see where the market is heading. Okay, so as you can see, USD JPY has been trading downward. Okay, it has been trading downward. I have 4 hour major trend line, as you can see right here. Okay, just want to show you everything that is happening in the USD JPY markets. So overall, as you can see, we've been trending downward for a while now. Okay, I called this trade some time ago on the touch of the trend line. Okay, and I was a little bit away from the market until it got to this level. So these black lines that you are seeing, these black lines are major support and resistance level on both 4 hour and the daily time frame. Okay, these black lines you are seeing on the charts are what a major support and resistance level that I've plotted out. Markets probably react to those levels in the market. Okay, so that's how come I plot those. You can see those black lines on my chart as well. So nonetheless, let's go straight to it. Okay, let's go to the 1 hour so that I tell you things that I look out for. Okay, so as you can see on the 1 hour, everything is still bearish. Okay, we were trading downward and I call this trade at this point. Let me start from here so that you get it clearly. Okay, it is not every day that you are going to win in the market, but if you play with your risk management very well, that is 1:2, 1:3, and you risk properly, trust me, you'll be able to make your money. Or out of 10, try everything, stick to your plan, and you'll be able to achieve something from the market. Okay, so as you can see, I drew this trend line and market break this trend line. I was in haste to enter this trade here because of this resistance level here. Okay, so I entered the trade, it was going all right. All of a sudden it pushed down to touch the trend line again. So after touching the trend line, I saw this 1 hour engulfing candle. Okay, I saw this 1 hour engulf. I didn't close this one, I risked 50 pip. Actually the take profit was 1:2. As you can see, 1:2, 50 pip for 100 pips. Okay, so I didn't close it as it was. I did set and forget. I set and forget. But if it has moved above one this thing and I see that market is moving in my direction properly, fine, then I would have break even. But I didn't break even. Market came back into a drawdown. Okay, it didn't take me out. As you can see, it didn't take me out. Then it gave me an engulfing candle here on the trend line that it got broken. Then I entered another position, risking another 50 pip. Okay, then over then I targeted the high, which is a major resistance, a major support level, a resistance level up there. Okay, so markets went all the way. It took a while for market to get there. Okay, throughout the weekend, I held the market throughout the weekend, and I entered another position here because we broke this structure to the upside. Remember, we are heading to the upside, though the overall direction is downtrend. I was trading on the lower time frame. Okay, we break this structure and we came back for a retest. I went on the 15 minute to see entry. Okay, 15 minutes, and I took a risk trade on that. Actually, I was expecting it to pull a little bit back before going, but it actually stopped here and went. Okay, so over there too, I use my Fibonacci to see what is happening. Okay, since this is the recent high that was created, I put my Fibonacci at from this low to that high, and as you can see, the market reacted on the zero point 0.5. So I took that trade and I targeted the high. So all these three, 1, 2, 3, got TP got hit on the same day. Okay, but this one we hit first, right? I forgot this one hit first. I didn't take this one to the high. So as I entered this one, I break even on these ones. Okay, I break even on these two trades so that in case this one goes wrong, well, it will come and take me out and break even on this one. Then it will just be this one that I will lose. I hope you understand. So as it got to the top here, this trade, this engulfing, I actually saw it, but I didn't take it. Okay, I thought market would give me like double top before I looking for a sell, but it didn't give me a double top or chart formation. Sorry. So over here, when market drop all the way, if I extend my trend line, you could see that it has touched the trend line again and is trying to push to the upside, forgetting that the overall move is a downtrend. So I saw this engulfing. First, I wanted to enter here, but I wanted to wait to see how the candle will close. As the candle closes, it pushes down with speed, and I was scared to enter. Okay, my guts was telling me, do not enter, do not enter. But as this one closes, this bullish engulfing candle closes, I said, wow, then this is the chance. You see, we had a strong push to the downside. It would be nice to have a retracement to this level. Okay, so I entered the year risking 35 p to make a 74 ppa, which is 1:2. Okay, and I entered and I lost. Nonetheless, as I lost, it pushed down, breaking this trend line that we broke first to the downside, and you can see it has given me engulfing candle. This is where I should have buy, though the overall direction of the market is this thing, but I couldn't enter here, and it went all the way up. I didn't trade. I was looking and waiting to see what will happen. So over here, I had first touch, second touch, and third touch, and I entered on this engulfing candle. Then I targeted this low, and it played out, because the direction of, you see, as you can see, when the market is trying to push to the upside, it struggle to push to the upside. But when it's trying to come down, it falls. It's like a falling knife. It pushes down quickly. So that tells you that the momentum is pushing to the downside. Overall direction is health bearish. As you can see, we have, though the weekly is bullish, but daily is bearish, 4 hour is bearish. So 1 hour is also bearish because we'll be breaking structure to the downside, broken structure to the downside, and all the way to the downside here. So you see over here, market was not giving me any clear entry confirmation. So I waited to see, I drew this channel, the top and the down trend line, to see what will happen. Markets break structure over here, as you can see, to the upside, and the trend line to also go broken. I waited for a retest and it came all the way to the downside here. So when it came to the downside here on the lower time frame, when you go to, my network is a bit slow, so when you come to the lower time frame, you see that we break structure right here, markets break structure right here, went to the upside and came back, okay, and came back. So this one, I was thinking it's going to push a little bit lower, but I took the risk by entering on this, risking 20 pip to make this one. I targeted 1:3. Okay, I targeted. So when you go to the 15 minutes, you see that there's an engulfing candle. Always I entered on engulfing candle. If I do not see an engulfing candle, I will not enter. That should be one of your principles. If you do not see an engulfing candle, you will not enter. So you can take the USD JPY for months. This is my little advice to you. If you want to see if your strategy works, get one particular pair, currency pair, delete the rest of the pair from your chart. Okay, delete the rest of the pair, stick with only one particular pair. If you're trading a trend line, support and resistance, break and retest structure, Fibonacci levels, practice that on the on your one particular currency pair. Okay, then every time you take a trade, if it is a trend line, you write it, you journal, you make a table. If it is a trend line, you write it under trend line. You see an engulfing candle on the third touch, you entered, journal everything down. Risk to reward, how did the trade play out? Did you win? Did you lose? Did it take you out of a break even? Then you know how to sorry, then you journal down everything. Okay, so this one I saw an engulfing candle, and as you can see, I drew a trend line, first touch, second touch, third touch, then I entered, risking 20 pip to make. I was targeting this high though, but I wanted to make it at, I wanted to stop it at I wanted to make 1:3, right? So that is how it played out. Then I was waiting to see what will happen. I saw this push to the upside, touching the 1 hour trend line. There's another 1 hour trend line downward, showing downward. Let me show you. Okay, mostly I like to draw trend lines on USDJPY. As you can see, this trend line, okay, we touch this trend line, then we started pushing to the downside. To the downside. This was the trade I showed you on the 15 minutes. So the trend line that I drew, as you can see today, this trend line got broken. As I'm doing this video right now, this trend line got broken to the downside. All right, to the downside, and I waited for a pullback. Actually, I entered two. I won. I took one trade already on the lower time frame, and I won. And this, I got another pullback, and I took another trade, and so far it's in profit. Nonetheless, whatever happens, I'll still hold, whether I take a loss or profit or at break even. Okay, so that is how I take my trade. Let me show you. So if we come to the 30 minutes, you see that we've broken this trend line to the downside, and we have to know the overall direction of the market is what? It's a downward move. Okay, it's downward trend. So I was expecting market to come and sweep this. Actually, I do this line like this. Okay, I was expecting this pushback, though the trend line got broken. I was expecting a pushback to sweep this stop loss, then close below the trend line, then I'll enter for what? A sell. Okay, but when I got to the 15-minute time frame, Let's go to the 15-minute time frame. Let me show you something. So on the 15-minute time frame, when the market pushed back, I saw this engulfing candle, and this line, this blue line that you are seeing, is a structure, 1 hour structure, which is a resistance level. And since we are beneath that resistance level, we push up to touch, to retest that resistance level. Okay, so and we've broken the trend line. So I saw this engulfing candle. I entered, risking the risk to roll is 1 is to 2.5. Okay, so I risk 10 pip to make 25 pip. Okay, 10 pip to make 25 pip. That is what I did. 27 exact actually. So TP got hit, and I was like, wow, that's nice. Then I saw this push to the upside again. Okay, came back to the trend line. Then I saw 15 minutes engulfing candle. As you can see, this black candle engulf this one. Okay, so when you go to the 30 minutes, you see that we have a beautiful rejection. Okay, that is when I entered. That is when I entered for a sale. So I sell over here, putting stop loss above this, which is 40 pip to make 80 pip. I'm expecting this market to push to all the way to this level somewhere here, probably to this resistance level again. But my first take profit, when I'm targeting high like this, I enter two position. First take profit is 1 is to 1. The second take profit is 1 is to 2. Okay, because my stop loss is big, 40 pip. I have to play smart. Okay, so as soon as first take profit hit, the first take profit is this line right here. As soon as first take profit hits, I will move stop loss to break even. Then I'll allow the trade to run. So as you can see, I will show you the screenshot of the running trade. As you can see, the screenshot of the running trade USD JPY right here. Okay, so guys, that is it. If you want to try this, just get one particular currency pair that works for you. Okay, if it is a trend line that you're going to be trading, delete all other pairs, focus on that particular pair, focus on it, trade only that pair. Okay, try it for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, even the whole year, and see how it will go. So your risk to reward too, you have to play smart. You don't just enter because the trade has approached your area of interest. Always remember to see an engulfing candle, either on the 15 minute, 30 minutes, or 1 hour, before you enter a buy or a sell. Okay guys, so that is it for today's video. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel, because I'll be bringing more content, show you more tricks to do, or to help you take your trading journey to the next level. Remember, we are all learning. Okay, we are all learning. So leave your comments, your suggestion and your comments in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond to them. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.